Hello everyone, and today is gonna be epic because we will be virtual biking using our VR headset and our GoPro Hero 9. It's me, Patatas Rider, and today is gonna be epic. Let's go! And we are now gonna connect our cell phone to our GoPro, and this will be my eye in our adventure in this VR biking. Connecting my GoPro app. Hopefully we don't get any interruption because I will be blind if this GoPro and this cell phone gets disconnected. So please bear with me. We are connecting our GoPro to our cell phone. And it's still searching. And so we got our GoPro connected to our cell phone, and I'm gonna put the cell phone inside the VR. But first we're gonna hit record so I know what I will be seeing. Please bear with me because this will be dangerous. Our cell phone and GoPro connected, and I'm going to insert my cell phone to the VR headset, and this will be gonna be epic, so please bear with me. Let's go. Now I'm gonna put, and now my helmet is connected, and it's gonna be epic. Strap on, safety. Oh, it doesn't fit. My ears are getting in the way, but I'm persistent. It's finally in. That's why I'm holding my bike right now. I can see Patatas girl. Please bear with me during the video. Okay, I'm in the bike. Oh god, this is heavy. Hey, can you follow me?
Yes.
Okay, let's go on our adventure. Oh gee, what am I doing? Oh, it's hard, it's gnarly.
Uy!
Game?
Go. Careful ah.
And this is part 2. OMG! OMG! Oh! Sorry! Oh my god! Virtual reality!
Love, daan-dahan ka.
Ah, slowly only. Oh! Oh my god, let's stop. Hey everyone! This is Patatas Rider, and it was epic. It was very hard. Hey, I don't recommend this to anyone doing this if you're not a professional rider. The balance was so up. It was so hard. I cannot believe it. Anyway guys, if you like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And this is part 2. OMG! OMG! Oh! It's Starling! Oh my god! Virtual reality! Ah, slowly only. Oh! Oh my god, let's stop. Hey everyone! This is Patatas Rider, and it was epic. It was very hard.